This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an 8-speaker stereo system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.